Hello everybody, another puzzle, which means that it's another unboxing video. So let's get right into it. I'm not sure if you can see by now. Right, that's a yellow circular disc with an open mouth. Alright, this is the warranty card, so I'm just gonna throw it out of the way. And this is it, right? It's Timex Pac-Man. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And before that, let's see the box. Okay, it's Pac-Man, and this you have like your points, and this shows you the name of the monster. Well, I didn't really know the monster have names of their own. And these are like the fruits that will appear, you know, magical items. Well, I grew up in the 80s, but I don't really play Pac-Man a lot. I know it's quite popular, but yep. It's a bit dented, but let's hope everything is okay. There's no tape, so I don't need to use my pen knife. Whoa, that's nice. And yep, that's the user manual. We're gonna toss it aside. Yep, this is a really nice box, and there's a big, huge pixelated Pac-Man. Yep, I got the silver version, so we're gonna move in a little bit closer and take out the watch from the box. Okay, to remove the watch, we basically just need to slide the cover open. And let me just pull out the watch. And we will put the box aside. And this is it. I'm gonna peel off the sticker. Oh, nice. It's really nice. And I'm not sure if it's my eye fooling me, but the LCD display seems to have like a fun, playful color, different shades of color when you tilt it around. You see, it's like orangey yellow, and sometimes it will appear as green. Yeah, it has a very nice effect. Very nice. Well, it's just a TAT Casio, but on the case back we can see the Timex and Pac-Man logo. Yep, the front is very nice. We have Pac-Man, Timex, and the monsters and Indiglo. Yep, even the buckle it's special. Hey, you have a Pac-Man and a monster. Alright, nice. It's really nice. Okay, I was told that if you press and hold the start-stop button, you can hear the Pac-Man theme. Let's try. That's the cool Pac-Man theme. Brings me back to the 80s. Okay, there's not a lot for me to share in this unboxing video, so I will be wearing this for a couple of weeks or maybe a month or two, and I will come back with a full review of this piece. It's gonna be a really fun piece. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.